Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt bread. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, which typically include all-purpose flour, plain yogurt, and baking powder. You'll also need some basic kitchen tools like a mixing bowl, a whisk, and a baking pan. Before we begin mixing, make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures it's ready for baking when our dough is prepared. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget to stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It really brings out the flavors. Next, gradually add 1 cup of plain yogurt to your dry mixture. Mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms, but be careful not to overmix, as this helps keep your bread wonderfully tender. With your dough ready, it's time for a little kneading. Turn the shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it transforms into a smooth, elastic ball. This step is crucial for developing the bread's texture. Once kneaded, you can shape your dough into a beautiful round or oblong loaf, whatever you prefer, and then place it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Carefully place your shaped dough into the preheated oven. Bake it for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the crust is a lovely golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, let your wonderful yogurt bread cool on a wire rack for at least 15 minutes before slicing. Then, enjoy your warm, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.